cleaning my fridge, and this just fell before I like. So yeah, I don't like these anymore. So we're just gonna put them next to my demorphed pig, and then we're gonna put this back in if I can find out how to do it. So it goes like this. No, it doesn't, because these are right there. See, I'm gonna do smart. But it doesn't fit, it's too small. Bro, how does that fit? It's hardly in there. Okay. Well, oh, you kinda, oh, what? It just happened. There we go. Okay. So, I got these a while ago. These I got from my best friend's parents, for Christmas, I think. Or my birthday. I don't know. I think it was my, Christmas. But, either way, those are up there now. Yeah. And then we're gonna put these Hello Kitty ones I got from my grandma, my grandma's freezer, because she passed away. But, it's over here. Well, my great-grandma's, so it's fine. Oh, crap. And her condo finally sold. So, oh, dang it, I just got my painting wet. It's fine, it was watercolor paper. But it's fine, we're good. And don't feel bad, because it was a year ago, so I've healed. Maybe. I don't know. Bro, it keeps falling! Like that, it's not working. Good. Hold on. I got it, okay. And then we're gonna put the Hello Kitty ones without it falling. Look at that. It's not organized, but we'll organize it later. Actually, we're gonna have to have it kind of organized right now. There we go. And I got these, I think this one, the pink one's from Five Below. Yeah. Oh. Hold on. Okay. Let me put the jade rollers on the top. That doesn't fit. Okay, that works. Ow. And now we go into the drawer. There's a mini fan in here. Oh, it's charged. I'm not gonna put that in there because it has batteries. Oh! Face mask. These kind of have to be cold, I think. I don't even know. Lip masks. Should I? I'm gonna unpack these. Hold on, I forgot to pause it. Okay, here they are. I can't tell if this is the right way or not, but it's okay. These are gonna go at the bottom, like that, next to my beautiful face mask.